My name's Vivica Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengreso, and I want to show you how to use the technology filter in the account search to find companies that are using technologies that you can then engage with. Now, before we get started, I want to make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let me show you how this works. First of all, you need a Sales Navigator account. Once you've jumped into Sales Navigator, go to All Filters, and you're going to want to click on Account Filters. Now, at the very, very bottom, you can see where technology used. You can add different technologies. So let's just say that you work with companies that utilize Salesforce and you help them be more effective using Salesforce. Wouldn't it be nice to know what companies on LinkedIn are actually using Salesforce? Now you can. So you can type in your technology, whether it's Salesforce or Eloqua or Marketo. You can scroll through and see the technology that your prospects are using. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Salesforce here. There's a lot of different options. So I've got 2,000 companies. These aren't individuals. These are 2,000 companies that are using Salesforce. Then I can come in and say, well, I really only work with companies that are somewhere between 51 and 200 people. And I only work in certain industries. So I'm going to come here and add, say, computer software and IT. Maybe that's my buyer persona or my company persona. And now I can just click on search and I can see all the companies that I would work with. And now I can dive a little deeper, but I know that they use Salesforce, and I can start engaging with prospects within that company, creating points of contact, and starting the conversation on LinkedIn.